Did your cabinet look like mine in the opening picture of this video? If it did, then you'll want to stay tuned and watch this video. Hi everybody, Patty Dooley here with Tupperware, and today I'm sharing with you on modular mates. Now I've had a lot of people ask me questions, how do these things work in the cabinet? How do I know what sizes to get? What does your cabinet look like? I wish I had a full-blown pantry, but I don't. So for those who have limited space, like me, I just have this one cabinet for dry goods and things, and I have another cabinet for canned goods. You have to become creative. So that's what I do with the modular mates. In here you see all the basic things that I cook with all the time. And on the bottom shelf here is like my pasta, spaghetti, noodles, and oatmeal, some little bins, and then here's more pasta, just various things, crackers, and then up top I have like cake mixes and stuff like that because I have to have those for parties, yeah. But what I wanted to show you is how to measure your cabinet and what sizes that you can use. Now this bottom cabinet here, I've already measured it. It is 12 inches deep. So for a 12-inch deep cabinet, you can go up to a number 5 in a modular mate. And this is a number 5 super oval. Now the cabinet itself is 11¼ inches deep from the front to the back. So this particular modular mate is going to take the whole thing when you put it in there. So you're not wasting any space. This particular cabinet is 9½ inches from top to bottom here. So for this one, you can go up to number 4s. And this is also the same size as that. And then this one is a 7½ inch, and it can go up to number 3s. Now how you make that combination is really up to you because modular mates are just what they are. They're stackable. They're modular, so you can play with it based on what you keep in your cabinet all the time. Like for instance, this is the 20-cup cereal store. Mine has all oatmeal in it. It has the flip top on it, so I can get to it easily. We don't do a lot of cereals, very seldom. So, you know, your pantry or your cabinet may look different from mine as to what I have in here. Now down here on the bottom is the rectangle number 5. This will hold several bags of flour. And with the modular mates, with the clearness of the container, you can see that this is how much flour I have left. I know I need to buy flour. So I'm not double buying because I can't remember, okay, do I have any in the cabinet? You know, everything's shoved in there. I don't remember, then you're not double buying stuff. You know what you have, and it helps you on your shopping list and when you're at the grocery store. These are a little bit older. They haven't had these out in a couple of years with the pour spouts on it, but this is a number 4, I believe, with a pour spout. So this is like instant rice. So this is a number 5 super oval, which you can see I have some spaghetti in it, but whenever I get spaghetti and I put it all in there straight, I can get several big bags and fill this up and know that I have plenty of spaghetti in there. This is a number 4 super oval, and I can put my lasagna noodles in here. Now we do carry the bins, the potato bin and the onion and garlic bin. You don't have to use those just for potatoes and onions. Like this one is a bit older, back when they were clear instead of going to the dark. I just leave the top off and I can put odds and ends things in here. Like I've got jello, pudding mix, you know, just odds and end things that just take up space in the cabinet, so I can put all of those in here, put it over to one side, and then just get out what I need. Just like the onion and garlic bin. Now this is the colors that it comes in the catalog now. I can fill this up with, well, if I buy them, snacks and stuff and put in here. Or you might have, you know, like packets of cornbread mix and stuff. You can put it in here, leave this little top on it, and then just take let's say this is a number 2, that will fit right on top of it, and then you can store, you know, maybe some beans or chocolate chips or something like that in there. Now, the Modular Mates, you can do variations in stacking. So like I've got, these are all number 4s. But if I, you know, this is my brown rice, so I need more brown rice to go in here. But if I've got a lot of beans and things like that, I can actually take, say like a number 2 super oval and the number 1 super oval, or the ovals or whatever size you want, and then I can just stack those until I get to the size number 4. So that's a number 2, a number 1, and this is just a regular oval number 1. I can put that in there until it all stacks up to a number 4. So you can make more room in your cabinet when you need it. Like this here is a super rectangle number 1. I've got some round pasta in here. This is a super oval number 3, and then on this side is an oval number 2 and an oval number 1. So it all adds up to a number 4, and that all fits right there in my pantry, in my cabinet. This is the square. This is a square number 1 and a square number 3, which adds up to 4, and it fits right there in my cabinet. So you can take these and play with them according to your needs. So if you have 1 pound bag of beans, you know, smaller stuff that you don't need something really big, well, you can take 4 of those and stack it in there. So you can see that some of the stuff I still need to get more Modular Mates. I'm always changing them up. So, but I can do that. And it always works for what you need. This is like, what is this, oval number 4? Yeah. It has the pour spout on it that you can get. Let me lift that up. So that way, if you have stuff like sugar and various things that you want to pour rice, like I have rice in here, I can just pour it out and be good to go. So this is how you can play and work with the Modular Mates in your kitchen, in your pantry, not only in here, but you can use it in work rooms, craft rooms, baby room, bathroom, any place that you need stuff to organize. I did one video, it was the Modular Mate, I think it was the number 2 here, that you can fit 4 by 6 photos in. And I think I figured up it holds something like 800 or 900 photos. So if you're looking to store pictures and things like that, that way you know they're safe, they're airtight, and water and things won't get in them. Great for that. So I know that all of this is going to stay fresh because it is liquid and airtight. Nothing's going to get in here and mess up with the food. And when you buy packaging from the grocery store, there's already little bugs in the packaging. That's why you get those little moths and things in your cabinet, usually in spring or sometime during the year. That's because there has been those little bugs in there. So you don't want the bugs in your food, and you don't want to spend that money and then just have to throw it away. So you can get your stuff in, take it out of the packaging, unless it's like cake mix and it's already in its own bag. Then you can put it in here and know that that food is safe from any kind of bugs or moisture and things like that in your home. So if you would like more information on how you can do your pantry or your cabinet with the Modular Mates, I'll be glad to get with you. The couple of things I need to know is the size of your cabinets, how deep and how wide are they, so that way I can better understand what it is, the sizes that you're looking for. We can talk about your shopping habits, you know, what are the normal things that you purchase all the time, and talk about sizes for that. Right now, if you're watching this video, we have the Modular Mates on sale until January 26th, so they're all 30 and 40% off. They have starter sets and everything that you can imagine with the Modular Mates, or you can set up your own. And if you order through me your Modular Mate sets, it's going to have to be a set. I'm going to send you some of these little scoops right here for your Modular Mates. And the reason is like this here, I'll show you. I'm going to take the top off of this here, and this happens to be my whole wheat flour. Is that these scoops will fit down inside in a flat top. So I can put it down in here, know that my scoop is in there, and then just put the top back on, and then put it back in my cabinet. So the scoop is already there. I'm ready to go whenever I need it. So if you have questions about the Modular Mates and need some help, I'll be glad to help you with that. So I appreciate you watching the video today. Would love it if you would like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. You know, do you have Modular Mates that you're already using? Do you need help? Do you need ideas? Just comment below and I will get with you. So you guys have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.